Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashish Bishas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Our today's topic is in exercise 10.2 question number 1. Question number 1 will be solved in our class SCW and also SW. My dear student, today is our lecture number 26 of annual term and today's SW number will be 25. So let us start our class. Before starting our class, at first you open your math book. Open page number 169. In 169 we shall solve question number 1. I have already written this question on the board. Okay, so let us start. At first we read the question. In the triangle ABC, a triangle whose name is ABC, AB equal to AC, that triangle AB equal to AC, and O is an interior point of the triangle ABC such that OB equal to OC. Prove that angle AOB equal to angle AOC. My dear students, it is so easy problem. Okay, just notice and you can easily answer this question. Suppose this is a triangle, okay, whose name is ABC. Now compare this problem according this figure. Notice here ABC triangle, AB side equal to AB side, and O is an interior point. O is an interior point. Now we add BO and add CO. Okay. So my dear students, we add BO and CO, then add AO. Now notice, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, and O is the interior point. That means O is the interior point such that BO, this side equal to this side. My dear student, O is an interior point such that BO equal to CO. It is required to prove that angle AOB and angle AOC. I hope you have understood how to prove it. My dear students, I repeat, we need to prove that angle AOB equal to angle AOC. Okay. Now we draw the original figure. My dear students, at first we take a straight line with a fixed measurement. Okay. Then we take a point. After that we add. We take an interior point, then we add. Okay, the name of the triangle is A, B and C, and O is the interior point. Again we add A, O. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, at first we write particular enunciation. That means all the things are given. Okay, now write AB equal to AC in the triangle ABC and OB equal to OC, as O is the interior point of ABC. It is required to prove that angle AOB equal to angle AOC. Now write this. We have AB equal to AC in the triangle ABC and OB equal to OC. Why? Where O is the interior point in the triangle ABC. It is required to prove that angle AOB equal to angle AOC. I hope you have understood. I repeat, we have AB equal to AC in the triangle ABC and OB equal to OC, where O is the interior point of the triangle ABC. It is required to prove that angle AOB equal to angle AOC. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall go to our next step, prove. Notice this is triangle A, B and C. So my dear students, here you notice AB equal to AC and BO equal to CO. So according to the proposition, AB equal to AC, OB equal to OC. Now in triangle ABC, as AB equal to AC, so we can easily write angle ABC equal to angle ACB. So now write angle ABC equal to angle ACB. When two sides of triangle are equal, then their corresponding angles is also equal, just like AB equal to AC. So we can say ABC equal to ACB. I hope you have understood. Next, as BO equal to CO, so from triangle BOC we can say OBC equal to OCB. I repeat, as OB equal to OC in triangle BOC, so we can say angle OBC equal to angle OCB. Now write it. And in triangle BOC, OBC equal to OCB. I hope you have understood. Now my dear students, we write ABO. Which angle? ABO, this angle. Okay, we can write this angle by subtracting OBC from the triangle ABC. That means from whole triangle, that means ABC, we subtract BOBC, that means this one, and we get this one. I hope you have understood. I repeat this again. Suppose this is whole triangle AB, whole angle ABC, and if I subtract OBC from ABC, then we get ABO. Now write this angle ABC minus OBC. I hope you have understood. My dear student, notice here ABC equal to ACB and OBC equal to OCB. Here you notice ABC and here OBC. Now putting the value of ABC and OBC. The value of ABC is ACB and the value of OBC is OCB. So write ACB minus OCB. My dear student, now we notice here ACB is the whole triangle and we subtract OCB from the whole angle and we get ACO. So ACO. I hope you have understood. I repeat, ACB is the whole angle and if we subtract OCB from ACB, then we get ACO and it is written. Okay. So my dear students, we find here two triangle, one triangle, another triangle. The name of this triangle is ABO and the name of the triangle is ACO. So now we compare these two triangle. Right. Now we compare triangle AOB and triangle AOC. My dear students, I hope you understood. Now we compare triangle AOB and triangle AOC. Notice in AOB and in ACO, which things are equal? Here you notice AB side equal to AB side. Now write AB equal to AC. Here you notice OB equal to OC. Write OB equal to OC. These two things are given. Now you notice angle ABO equal to angle ACO. Right, and angle ABO equal to angle ACO. I hope you have understood. My dear student, side angle side theorem is applicable here. As side angle sides are equal, so we can say these two triangles are congruent. So we write therefore triangle AOB congruence to triangle AOC. Okay. As the triangle AOB and triangle AOC are congruent, so we can say this triangle and this triangle are equal. So angle AOB equal to angle AOC, and this is the proved of this problem. I hope you have understood. Okay. I repeat this. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC and O is the interior point. As O is the interior point, we say BO equal to CO. It is required to prove that AOB equal to AOC. My dear students, as to the proposition AB equal to AC and BO equal to CO, in triangle ABC we write ABC angle equal to ACB angle, and in triangle BOC OBC angle equal to OCB angle. Now ABO angle equal to the whole angle, that means ABC, and subtract OBC from ABC, and we putting the value of ABC and OBC, and value of ABC is ACB and value of OBC is OCB. If we subtract OCB angle from ACB angle, then we get ACO angle. Now we compare those two angles AOB and AOC. Notice in this triangle AB equal to AC and BO equal to CO as they are given, and we have already find angle ABO equal to angle ACO. So we can say these two triangles are congruent. How can? Because we know the theorem of side angle theorem. By side angle theorem, so side angle and side theorem, we can write angle AOB congruence to angle AOC. As the triangles are congruent, so we can say their included angle, that means angle AOB equal to angle AOC. I hope you have understood. My dear student, this is our today's lecture and this is your SW also. You must do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.